Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to change gender in Pokemon Go. Okay, Android or iPhone, doesn't matter, okay? But in Pokemon Go. Now, you need what? You need know there is no male or female button, okay? You use, oh, that's a beautiful Pokemon, Gengar, that's mine, okay? Now, continue. You need those here in your profile now, and you can see your custom personalization. Okay, now here you can touch in your appearance, the first options, and in your body. This is the great thing. Okay, you need select your family body. Example family body. In my case, okay, I am boy. I need transform in a woman. Okay, I can select that. Now can you see? You can see. Okay, now and now here. Okay, now in your head. In your hair, you can select your family hair. Example, this or this. Now you can change your face. Yeah. And the most important thing is your pose. Okay, you need here, and you can select the woman pose. But is that there is okay. I can remove. Okay, not is the perfect woman, but it's a woman. If I say that is a woman, okay. And this is the only option that you can make. Okay, the other options, oh no, my character. The other options is that you can send a message to support. Okay, now you can select here an option settings, and in the on the top in the corner you can see help button. Now at the slide down, and you can see talk with us. Okay, talk with support. You can try speak with them, and maybe they can help with that problem. Okay, this is all for this video. Sorry for my English. I really try to speak English, but my English is awful. Sorry for that. Okay, now Pokecoins is the name. Okay, and this is all for this video, and see you later maybe. And that's all for this. Ciao, goodbye.